Hello students, welcome to Sairam Classes English. Again I am here with the poem of class 8th when I set out for Lyonnesse. In the previous video of the same poem we had done introduction about the poet and summary of the same poem. So again today we will do line by line explanation in this video. As I've already told you in previous video that Thomas Hardy, who was a young architect. Apprentice means he was taking the training of architect. The British poet and novelist. He has got a responsibility to supervise the restoration of a church. And on his return from the parish, people noticed two things about him: a new glow in his eyes and a crumpled piece of paper sticking out of his coat pocket. So, today we will do line by line explanation. Stanza 1. When I set out for Lyonnesse, 100 miles away, the rime was on the spray, and starlight lit my lonesomeness. When I set out for Lyonnesse, 100 miles away. Lyonnesse means a mythical birthplace of Sir Tristram in England, and this place is believed to have been submerged by the sea. Now, this is an imaginary place. So, the poet is starting his journey for Lyonnesse, which was situated 100 miles away from the place he lived in. The rime was on the spray. Rime means frost, or you can say dust of snow or particles of snow. So we can say that spray means you can say that spray means the branches, or spray means spread over there. So the frost was everywhere on every branches, and starlight lit my lonesomeness. Starlight is indicating here that he started his journey at the time of night. Lonesomeness means loneliness, a state for feeling lonely, or you can say in simple word loneliness. So when he started his journey at the night, they show his path. The light of the stars show his path. They accompany him. They accompanied him. When I set out for Lyonnesse, 100 miles away, and the same lines are repeated as in the starting. When I set out for Lyonnesse, 100 miles away. That he is starting his journey for Lyonnesse, and that place is 100 miles away. Now I will tell you about the rhyme scheme of this poem. In the first line, the first line is ending with Lyonnesse. It means that is A. We have mentioned this A. Second line is different from the first one, away. Here it is away. So we will mark this B. In third line, it is similar to the second one, away, spray. So we'll say keep it same B. And fourth line, and starlight lit my lonesomeness. Lonesomeness is similar to Lyonnesse, so we will keep it A. And again fifth line is Lyonnesse. It means it is same. So our rhyme scheme is A B B A A. This is our rhyme scheme of the poem. Now we will proceed to the second stanza. Stanza 2. What would begins at Lyonnesse, while I should sojourn there? No prophet durst declare, nor did the wisest wizard guess. What word begins at Lyonnesse, while I should sojourn there? What would begins? Begins means is going to be happen. Begins means is going to be happen. So here the poet is he is anxious. He is very unsure about what would happen at Lyonnesse. When he will go to Lyonnesse, what is going to be happen there? He says that he doesn't know what awaits him or what is waiting him at Lyonnesse. What is going to be with him at Lyonnesse? He even says that even a prophet means a person who can tell the future. A prophet means a person who can tell future. So he is saying that no prophet. Durst means D-U-R-S-T. Durst means dare. You can jot down all these word meaning in your notebook. Durst means dare. So here he is saying that no prophet has dared to declare it. Nobody can tell me about what is going to happen with me in Lyonnesse, in this place where he is going. Nor did the wisest wizard guess. And he is saying that neither the prophet has dared to tell him, nor the wisest. Wisest means the most intelligent person, or wizard means magician. So he is saying, nor did the wisest wizard guess. कि कोई भी जो wisest है और जो most intelligent person है और जो you can say that wizard means magician also, that nobody can tell what is going to be happen there. They cannot guess that they are fail to predict the experience accurately and vividly. They cannot tell him exactly that what is going to be happen. What would begins at Lyonnesse while I should sojourn there? Sojourn means a temporary stay. Again he is thinking in the same line that what is going to be happen at Lyonnesse when he is going to stay there, when he is going to visit there. So it was the second stanza. Now we will proceed to the third one. When I returned from Lyonnesse with magic in my eyes, all marked with mute surmise, my radiance rare and fathomless. When I returned from Lyonnesse with magic in my eyes. Return means came back from Lyonnesse. So now in this stanza, the poet says, he describes that what happened when he returned from the place, what happened with him. And on his return, he is also telling that people noticed two things about him with magic in my eyes. When he returned from there, when he returned from Lyonnesse, he has magic in his eyes. He has something which is mystical. Magic means, magic is related to here, mystical. That it is something is mystical in his eyes. All marked with mute surmise. Mark means they noted. Mark means noted. I think it is clear to you. Noted. N-O-T-E-D. Noted. Say, so the people who were watching him, they noted with mute. Mute means quiet. Mute means quiet. As we say that mute the TV. Sometimes we say that mute the TV. So mute means without they are not saying anything. They were quiet. And surmise. Surmise means that something is true without having evidence to confirm it. It means they have some doubt that something has happened, something was happened at Lyonnesse, but they are not having any proof, or they didn't have any evidence to confirm it. My radiance, rare and fathomless, because they are they have seen a new glow in the eyes of the poet. And fathomless means something unable to be measured or understood. So you can say that the radiance, the glow, radiance in simply what you can say, glow. So which whatever glow he has seen in his eyes, or whatever light or heat he has seen, he what is reflected in his eyes, it is fathomless. Fathomless means something which cannot be measured. It means very deep or high in depth. So he is saying that whatever the radiance, whatever the shine is he is having in his eyes, that is unmeasured, that nobody can measure it. It was so deep that nobody can measure this glow. When I returned from Lyonnesse with magic in my eyes. And again he has used the same line. And the people who have seen him, they have noticed two things. One, they have noticed a glow in his eyes, and the second thing is they have noticed a crumpled piece of paper striking out of his coat pocket. A piece of paper, crumpled means when बहुत ज़्यादा उसको हाथ से जो है क्रश किया, crumpled means crushed. So they have seen one they have glow, first they have seen the glow, and the second thing they have noticed, they have seen that a crumpled piece of paper was coming out of his coat pocket. Again here, that is the same rhyme scheme. A, B, surmise, eyes, it means B, fathomless, Lyonnesse, again A, and that is called B. So rhyme scheme in this poem is A, B, B, A, B. So this was the explanation of the poem. Now we'll talk about the theme of this poem. Now I will tell you about the theme of the poem. In this poem, the poet Thomas Hardy, he was trying to put us in awesome wonder by writing with ease on a simple theme. He is trying to write, or he is trying to create wonder with writing on a simple theme. A journey to Lyonnesse, which is the mythical birthplace of Sir Tristram in England, as I've already told you this thing. And it is believed that this place have been submerged by the sea. ये जो प्लेस थी जो है सी के अंदर मर्ज हो गई थी. And in this poem it is used as an imaginary place. This place is not real one now. So the poet once visited a parish to supervise the restoration of a church. So here in this poem, in this place, the poet has visited to supervise the restoration of a church. Actually, he has got the responsibility to restore the church. Again, the poem is suggestive of the spiritual benefit of visiting some places. The poet set out for Lyonnesse, which was situated 100 miles away. The starlight lit his lonesomeness. He had no idea what would happen during his stay at Lyonnesse, and he was totally unaware of the idea, totally unaware of the fact that what was going to be happen in the place or in the Lyonnesse when he will visit there. Nevertheless, the poet was sure that when he returned there, he was magic in his eyes. There was something mystical in his eyes. He also noticed that he had the radiance, he had the shine, and that shine is very rare and fathomless. The shine which he has got in his eyes, it is very uncommon. Rare means uncommon. It is very uncommon. This is uncommon. And fathomless. Fathomless means high in depth. Very deep, as I've already told you. Very deep. Some places welcome us with a mute surprise. Visits to such places are really rewarding and illuminating. Here, the poet is telling us that sometime we visit to some places, some mystical places, and they have a quiet surmise for us. And these type of visit to such places are really rewarding, are really appreciating and illuminating. By going these places, we can eliminate our eliminate our soul, we can eliminate ourselves, we can rejuvenate ourselves. So I think that you have understood the poem very well. If you have any problem, any query, you can write in the comment section, or drop it in, or you can write it also in your WhatsApp group. So till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.